Hello dear children, welcome back to your online class. This is your story of Friend's Prayer and the value of this story is friendship. Children, yesterday I have explained you half of this story and remaining of it I'll explain you today. So let's start. Finally, the first friend prayed for a ship so that he and his dog could leave the island. In the morning, he found a ship docked at his side of the island. The first friend boarded the ship with his dog and decided to leave the other friend on the island. He considered the other friend unworthy to receive God's blessings since none of his prayers had been answered. As the ship was about to leave, the first friend heard a voice from heaven booming, "Why are you leaving your friend on the island? My blessings are mine alone since I was the one who prayed for them." The first friend answered, his prayers were all unanswered and so he does not deserve anything. "You are mistaken," the voice rebuked him. "He had only one prayer which I answered. If not for that, you would not have received any of my blessings." "Tell me," the first friend asked the voice, "what did he pray for that I should owe him anything?" "He prayed that all your prayers be answered," the voice replied and became quiet. Finally, the first friend prayed for a ship so that he and his dog leave the island. The next day in the morning, they saw a ship sinking on the shore of the island. The first friend boarded the ship with his dog and decided to leave the second friend on the island. He considered the other friend unfit to receive God's blessings because no one answered his prayer. Their prayers were unanswered and so they did not deserve to do anything. As the first friend was about to leave the other friend on the island, he heard a voice from heaven. "Why are you leaving your friend on the island?" First friend replied that my blessing is only mine because I was the very one who prayed to God. But the other friend's prayers were unanswered and so he was not worth doing anything. Then God replied, "You are doing wrong. Your friend had only one prayer I could fulfill. If it doesn't, you don't have any blessings from me." It means the second friend is praying to God to fulfill the wishes of his first friend. बच्चों, जो पहला दोस्त था वो भगवान से जो भी प्रार्थना करता था वो उसको तुरंत मिल जाता। अब उसने क्या सोचा कि अंत में वो एक जहाज के लिए प्रार्थना करेगा ताकि वो और उसका कुत्ता द्वीप को छोड़ सके। जैसे ही उसने प्रार्थना की, अगले दिन सुबह में उसने देखा कि द्वीप के किनारे पर एक जहाज डूबा हुआ है। पहला दोस्त अपने कुत्ते के साथ जहाज पर चढ़ा और दूसरे दोस्त को द्वीप पर छोड़ने का फैसला किया। पहले दोस्त ने दूसरे दोस्त को भगवान का आशीर्वाद प्राप्त करने के लिए अयोग्य माना क्योंकि उसकी कोई भी प्रार्थना का कोई जवाब नहीं मिल रहा था। पहले दोस्त को लगता था कि उसके दूसरे दोस्त की प्रार्थना अनुत्तरित थी और इसलिए वे कुछ भी करने के लायक नहीं था। जैसे ही पहला दोस्त और उसका कुत्ता जहाज पर चढ़े, तभी उसे स्वर्ग से एक आवाज़ सुनाई दी, "तुम अपने दोस्त को द्वीप पर क्यों छोड़ रहे हो?" पहले दोस्त ने जवाब दिया, "क्योंकि मेरा आशीर्वाद केवल मेरा है और मैं सिर्फ एक वही इंसान था जो आपके लिए प्रार्थना करता था, लेकिन दूसरे दोस्त की प्रार्थनाएं अनुत्तरित थी और इसलिए वह कुछ भी करने के लायक नहीं था। तभी उसे तुरंत एक आवाज़ दोबारा आई, तुम ये सब गलत कर रहे हो। तुम्हारे दोस्त की भी सिर्फ एक प्रार्थना थी जो कि मैं पूरी कर सकता था। अगर मैं ऐसा नहीं करता तो तुम्हें भी मेरा कोई भी आशीर्वाद प्राप्त नहीं होता। पहले दोस्त ने जोर से पूछा, बताइए उसने क्या प्रार्थना की थी कि मैं उसके लिए भी कुछ करूं। तभी भगवान ने उत्तर दिया, तुम्हारे दूसरे दोस्त ने प्रार्थना की कि तुम्हारी सारी प्रार्थनाओं का जवाब दिया जाए। और भगवान इतना कहकर शांत हो गए। The first friend was stunned. He was ashamed of himself. All this while he was enjoying the fruits of his friend's prayers. He immediately went and hugged his friend. Both the friends went back from the island with a much stronger bond of friendship than ever before. Remember, our blessings are not the fruits of our prayers alone, but those of someone else praying for us. So, we should value our friends and never leave them behind. It means the first friend was stunned and he felt ashamed of himself because all he was getting was just the reason for his friend's prayer. Immediately he went on the other side of island and hugged his friend. Both friends returned from the heart with a stronger bond of friendship than ever before. बच्चों, पहला दोस्त दंग रह गया था यह सब सुनकर कि जो भी उसे मिल रहा था वह सब उसके दोस्त की प्रार्थना का फल है। उसे जो कुछ भी भगवान से मिला वह सब उसके दोस्त की वजह से मिला। वह तुरंत गया और अपने दोस्त को गले लगाया। दोनों दोस्त पहले से कहीं ज़्यादा दोस्ती के मजबूत बंधन के साथ द्वीप से वापस चले गए। बच्चों, हमेशा याद रखें कि हमारा आशीर्वाद अकेले हमारी प्रार्थनाओं का फल नहीं है, बल्कि किसी और का हमारे लिए प्रार्थना करना है। इसलिए हमें अपने दोस्तों को महत्व देना चाहिए और उन्हें कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए। So children, this story tells us how we should maintain our friendship. Friendship should always be with good people so that they can help you when needed. A true friend is the one who can help another friend in times of trouble. So children, this was your explanation. Hope you understood this story. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.